Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this tomato oven rice, or can I call it baked rice. This is a typical Italian recipe and it's also vegan friendly. Yeah, so I hope you give this a try. Let's get to the ingredients. So these are the ingredients I'm using: tomatoes, rice, potatoes, onion, garlic, salt, tomato sauce, extra virgin of olive oil, some basil and parsley leaf. I'm going to leave all the ingredients at description, so check it out. Okay, so my tomatoes have washed with fresh water. Okay, now I'm going to cut them open. Be careful while doing this because you need that tomatoes, okay, to stop the rice inside. So as you can see, I'm cutting them open. Then I will use a spoon to get out all the liquid inside the tomatoes. So like I said, be careful because you need to do this perfectly for you to be able to stuff your rice in there. So I'm done with the tomatoes now, and that one, like the seed of the tomatoes and the liquid, I'm going to be blending them separately now. And I'm going to be blending them with garlic, basil, parsley, and oil. I'm going to be blending all together. If you don't have fresh parsley, basil leaf or fresh parsley, you can use the dry one. Okay, so I'm going to blend them with the extra virgin of olive oil. You can add a reasonable amount of the oil. So now I'm done blending the tomatoes. So this is the type of rice I'm using. This is a typical rice, like risotto type of rice, but you can use any rice of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to pour the liquid inside the rice, and I'm also going to be adding the tomato sauce inside the rice and mix all together. After mixing them, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Just add to your taste. Okay, then allow the rice to rest for 10 minutes for the rice to absorb those liquids. So after you set the rice aside to rest, go ahead and season the potatoes with salt and pepper. You can add rosemary inside as well, and onion. So I added one whole onion inside there. So mix everything together. At this point, go ahead to on your oven, like preheat your oven at 180 degrees. Okay, I also added extra virgin of olive oil inside the potatoes. So after 10 minutes, we are back again. I'm going to pour the potatoes over my casserole. So now I'm going to start stuffing the rice into the tomatoes. Just add as much as the tomatoes can carry. Okay, the remaining rice that can't go inside the tomatoes, I just pour them over the potatoes. They are all good the same. Just put them into the casserole. You can't throw them away. Okay, and it come out very, very good. But if you have extra fresh tomatoes, go ahead and stuff them with the rice. But if you don't have, just go ahead and do the same thing I'm doing here. So use the head you cut out at the beginning, cover them back and place them in the oven at 180 degrees. Allow them to cook for 1 hour 40 minutes or 1 hour 30 minutes. So this is after 1 hour 30 to 40 minutes and my rice, everything is perfectly cooked. This food is very good to cook at night and take it to the seaside or take it to work the following day. It even tastes better the following day. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. God bless you. Bye.